Hello everyone. Now we are going to continue where we stopped in last section. Application of five-element theory in TCM. The reason for us to learn five-element theory, of course, is that it is applied in TCM to explain the structure of human body and to explain philosophical functions of the five zang organs and interrelationship among them, to analyze the pathology and mutual influence of zangfu organs. Moreover, Asian TCM physicians regard five-element theory as a guidance for diagnosis and treatment. In our last class, we have demonstrated the classification of different parts of the human body by five elements. Well, where does this kind of classification come from? For example, why liver attributes to wood, heart attributes to fire, and so on? It is due to the physiological functions of five zang organs. The physiological feature of liver tends to dispersion and it functions in soothing, dislikes being depressed. So it belongs to wood. Here I have to mention that when I talk about liver or lung or any internal organs, you should not directly connect them with those organs in Western medicine. Although they share the same name and even share some similarity in functions, there are huge differences between them. Don't mistake them, otherwise you will be lost in TCM. And then, the physiological function of kidney is to store essence, receive tea, or in another word, to pull tea downward so as to maintain the depth of the breathing and in charge of water. So it belongs to water. So this is the way we classify zang organs in TCM by five elements. Since five zang organs have their own attribution in five elements, there are interrelationships among five zang organs, which work as generation and restriction as well. Let us take kidney as an example. Kidney is water. So, kidney is able to nourish liver, which is wood. Meanwhile, kidney water can control heart fire. This kind of generation and restriction maintain a dynamic equilibrium among the organs. However, when one organ is sick, its pathological change will affect its related organ. This is how TCM uses five-element theory to explain pathology and mutual influence of zangfu organs. These are transmission and change based on mutual generation. Transmission may happen from mother to child or from child to mother. Let us take liver as an example. Since liver generates heart, liver is the mother of heart. When liver is sick, for example, liver blood deficiency will lead to heart blood deficiency. While liver is a child of kidney, when liver is sick, i.e. liver insufficiency, will result both liver and kidney deficiency. This is a pathological change, transits between mother and child. In pathological condition, the transmission also takes place because of their mutual restriction. Transmission may happen by over-restriction or counter-restriction. Let us take liver as an example again. Hyperactivity of liver T will launch an over-restriction on spleen and result in abdominal pain and diarrhea. This kind of hyperactivity may even reversely restrict lung and cause cough. Furthermore, five-element theory serves as a guidance for diagnosis and treatment. But how does it guide the treatment? These are therapeutic methods based on mutual generation. Take the first one as an example. Water generates wood, since water is the mother of the wood. Therefore, repression water can moisten wood so as to achieve a better growing of wood. to apply the idea in TCM, kidney is the mother of liver, so we have a widely used method, nourishing kidney yin to promote liver yin. All these therapeutic methods are set up according to the intergeneration among 5 zang organs. Not only intergeneration, but also the relationship of restriction serves as a guidance for treatment. These are therapeutic methods based on restriction. Take the first one as an example again. Wood restricts earth. If wood gets too strong, resulting in over-restriction on earth, which is interpreted by hyperactivity of liver qi attacking spleen in 5 zang organs. So what we can do? Soothing and pacify liver and supplement spleen so as to recover to a balanced restriction. All these are the contents we needed to know in 5-element theory. So let us make a conclusion. The 5 elements refers to the movement and the change of the 5 basic material elements, which are wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. There are mutual generation and restriction among 5 elements. And in abnormal conditions, problems may transmit from one element to another due to this kind of interrelationships. Moreover, theory of 5 elements are widely applied in TCM to analyze and treat diseases. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.